Want to live in a house where is no neighbors on the backside? Double car garage property on a pie-shaped lot which comes with 5 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms in the basement. Welcome to our another listing, 403 Greenland Circle in Milton. Only 2.5 kilometers from Milton GO station, which takes you a 1 hour to Union Station. Let's go inside and enjoy the view. On the entry itself, you can see all the upgrades in the house. It's 2x2 tiles upgraded, light fixtures, new glass door on the entry, 2-piece washroom, coat closet, and it takes into your huge living cum family space next to your dining and kitchen. This house is a carpet free even on the second floor. It's all wooden flooring, hardwood flooring on the first main floor, pot lights throughout. All the light fixtures are upgraded. It's 9 feet ceiling. Even if you see on the side, it's a big windows because it's a pie-shaped lot. It's a fully upgraded kitchen with granite countertop. If you see, it's tall cabinetry with a white texture which goes beautifully with the newly done tiles in the kitchen and dining space. It's a 2x2 tile, stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop, and if you look from the dining, you have a lot of natural light coming from the back with a huge wooden deck looking into the backside, which is all green space because you don't have any neighbors on the back. On the second floor, you have 5 bedrooms. Actually, it's 4 bedrooms. The other space can be used as a family space, which comes with a fireplace. It comes with 3 full washrooms, which are fully upgraded. Primary bedroom comes with a double door entry with a walk-in closet and fully upgraded 6-piece washroom. You have even tiles on the walls of the washroom. This house is looking for a new owner like you. Connect with our team to get your dream home in Milton, Ontario.